Hey, this is D Revolution. Please subscribe to my channel. This video is concerning if you're a self-publisher, the pre-marketing to your book that's going to be released. It's very important if you're a self-publisher to know how to promote and market your book. One of the best things that you can do, and which a lot of authors don't do, is pre-market your book, meaning that your book cover. If you have your book cover, if you don't have it, get it. And when you do get it, put it out there in cyberspace. Start collecting pre-sales. And if you're like halfway writing it, or you're halfway done with it, or pretty much done with it, it's always good to put excerpts out there. Always good, because by the time your book come out, they will be familiar with your book cover, and they'll be a little familiar with the story, and they will be looking for that story. Now, unfortunately, like for me, my book that's coming out, I put it out there, put extras out there, but I'm having some difficulties getting it done financially. So it's actually been a long time. I'm gonna start promoting it again. The closer I get to getting it done, it's in the editing phase now. But if you don't have, I mean, that's something that can be reintroduced to people. But if you don't have that issue, you're bringing out a book. Start posting excerpts of your book, and even if you have early reviews, and definitely the book cover, because when people continue to see the book cover, eventually they're gonna wonder what it's about. They're gonna read the excerpt, and then when the book is officially released, then they're gonna be looking for it. And I can prove that just from the books that I've released. Just putting it out there, and that's my opinion on the pre-marketing, pre-marketing phase of self-publishing. Please like and subscribe to my page, and share my video with anybody who you think is going to write a book and who wants to know about storytelling and how to sell book. Any self-publishers that want to sell books on their own, you need to subscribe to this channel. Peace. I'm D Revolution.